2017 Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, heated front seats, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.